Guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today I will talk about Monocystis. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. Habitat. So these are basically endoparasites in the earthworms and they reside in the seminal vesicle of earthworms. So these animals are endoparasites. That means they prefer to stay inside the body of another animal, and that is earthworm. And they specifically reside in the seminal vesicle of earthworms, and seminal vesicle is the part of male reproductive system. Okay, now let's see its structure. So the adult and feeding stage of parasite is called as trophozoite. So this monocystis has different forms. Trophozoite is most important form, that is the adult form, and that is the mainly feeding stage of the parasite. Trophozoite is elongated, flattened, spindle shaped, worm-like and pointed at both the ends. So you can see the structure. Here it is elongated, this is flattened, the shape is just like the spindle, this is worm-like and both the ends are pointed. And it has the pellicle. So pellicle is this is the outer surface of the animal. It marks the external boundary of the body. And this pellicle contains contractile microtubules. So basically this pellicle is made up of microtubules and microtubules are contractile. Cytoplasm is differentiated into outer dense ectoplasm or cortex and inner fluid-like endoplasm and medulla. So inside the structure, that means beneath the pellicle, the whole thing is basically cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is divided into two groups. One is the ectoplasm, that is basically clear part. Ectoplasm. Ectoplasm is it is dense and it is present in the periphery of the cell. That is, it is present in the outer portion of the cell. And this ectoplasm is very dense, and then it has the endoplasm also. So endoplasm is the inner fluid like structure. Endoplasm is present in the middle of the structure. Okay, so ectoplasm is also called as cortex and endoplasm is also called as medulla. And the cortex is again further divided into an outer epicuticle, middle sarcocyte and inner myocyte. Okay, the myocyte which is present in the inner surface of the cortex or ectoplasm, that consists of longitudinal as well as transverse contractile fibrils called myonins. Okay, so the inner myocyte, it also has some special features. It contains myonins, both longitudinal and transverse. And myonins are basically contractile fibrils, just like the muscles. The action of both sets of myonins is coordinated and they act like muscles and bring about sluggish gliding movement. So the movement of the animal is maintained, it is performed by myonins, and myonins are muscle-like structures. And the endoplasm contains fat globules and granules of starch, which are called paraglycogen. So endoplasm means the cytoplasm that is present in the middle portion. So it has, you can see it has fat globules as well as paraglycogen. These are paraglycogen. And paraglycogen is nothing but the granules of starch. And it has also nucleus. Nucleus is single and large. It contains 4 chromosomes, which represents the haploid number. So this is the large nucleus. It has 4 chromosomes and it is haploid. So you can say it is N. Now, contractile vacuoles, mouth and organelles of locomotion are absent due to a parasitic mode of life. So, it doesn't require to move fast. It doesn't need mouth. Uh, so, these are absent in these animals because it is the parasite. So, it doesn't require to move and it can get its food by absorption. So, it doesn't require mouth also. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.